What is going on, guys? It's your homegirl Shay B. And now I've been gone for a while because, yo, the cryptocurrency market has been giving me a stomach ache, a headache. I mean, it's partly my fault. I look at it all the time, and I shouldn't. So we're gonna start this video out talking about crypto for a hot minute, and then we're gonna move on to the next topic. So it's four things I want to cover today. One, crypto. I own crypto and I have a lot of crypto. I just recently took a position in 0x and I'm looking to add to that position throughout the course of the next few months. However, I'm not buying anything else because I already have a lot. And I feel like since I'm gonna focus, since I've been focused solely on cryptocurrency, it's time for me to shift my focus a bit because there's not a lot that I could do. I'm not a day trader. I'm not a swing trader with regards to crypto. I buy and I hold and I wait for those opportunities to make, 1x, 3x, 10x gains. So this is what's going on with the market right now. It was red recently. I'm gonna give it a quick refresh. Still the same thing. Try one more time. Yeah, so nothing much. Did wanna let you guys know that I added to my position on 0x. And now the crypto that I have total, I have Bitcoin, XRP, ETH, Chainlink, Energy Token, ADA Cardano. I still have my Electroneum, and I added 0x to my portfolio. All right, so that is it for crypto. The next thing I wanted to share with you is let me go to Robinhood real quick. It's just some administrative notes, okay? I have an account with Robinhood. I didn't log into Robinhood because what happened was sometimes when you're trading, you kind of get messages and you don't listen to them. Robinhood basically said I'm a day trader. If I don't have $25,000 into my Robinhood account, that they will not let me trade for 90 days. So I was on a 90-day restriction. The 90-day restriction is off in 6 days, but I said, the hell with you. I'm not waiting 90 days. And I started to trade in my E-Trade account, right? So I'm just trading options right now, and I'm going to move on to my M1 Finance account. So this is my retirement fund, and I had a ton of money in my retirement fund, and I took the money out because I wanted to fund an Roth IRA, and I did. So I'm going to come back to the retirement fund, but I'm going to go to the Roth IRA. And right now I'm sitting at $6,216. And so far, the portfolio has gained $228 and 5%. These are the only stocks that I have right now: AT&T, Microsoft, Oxford Lane Capital, Realty Income, and Apple. I didn't want to make it too difficult. I just wanted a basket of stocks. I know I have I have two technology and two REITs, and I guess AT&T is telecommunications. But I only wanted a basket of stocks of companies that I believe are going to grow. I also did this based on how well the company did in the last 1 year, 2 years, all the way up to 5 years. I'm going to be holding on to this Roth IRA, and I'm going to be funding $6,000 a year because that's all I could put in. I did put an additional $20 by accident. However, I'm going to be funding $6,000 a year to max out my IRA. I once I I was a little pissed off because I maxed out my IRA, and then I said, "Damn, I don't have any more money to invest." So I started to fund my retirement fund again. I picked now. Don't guys, don't talk shit. Don't say anything negative about what I picked. This is what I picked. This is an experiment. This is a retirement fund based off of 4 REITs. So the trick is I want to get into real estate, but I ain't gonna lie, I am terrified. I have great credit. I could buy 2 houses if I want. I'm just terrified because once you get the house or whatever you purchase, you're kind of stuck with it until you buy a seller. Now, my main objective was to flip properties. I'm terrified to flip properties. This is my way of buying these 4 REIT stocks. This one, NRZ, I think they pay monthly. I know Global Net Lease pays quarterly. Armor Residential pays monthly. 3 of these stocks pay monthly. One of them or 2 of them pay quarterly. I don't know what it is, but a good way to find out is, let me see. I'll tell you right now what the hell is what. I like the old site better. And I am going to go to GNL. All right, that's one of the stocks I own. So this is NASDAQ.com. And basically, I want dividend history, right? So let me go back to this. I picked all these stocks because they have great dividends. I picked all these stocks because they are REITs. And I picked all these stocks as an experiment. I'm going to be watching this like a hawk to watch the performance on these stocks. But I've watched the way they perform. I've looked at their record. I checked out the company. I checked out the leadership and management company. I've done a lot of homework before I just went in and bought these stocks. They don't move a tremendous amount, which I like. So that is why I invested in these stocks. I'm going to tell you right now whether or not these companies pay monthly or quarterly. So sorry about that. GNL used to pay monthly. July was the first time they paid quarterly, and they paid quarterly again in October. So this is a quarterly stock. Let me see the next one. Okay, ARR. This is a monthly stock. So based on the amount of shares I have, this stock will pay me 17 cents per month. Okay, now let me go to the next one. NRZ. NRZ. I like NASDAQ.com because it gives you a lot of overview about a company, summary quotes, regular quotes, the basic charts, the interactive charts, then a lot of stock analysis. So you can find out You can find out whether you want to buy a company just by looking at the whole company snapshot using NASDAQ.com. You can figure out whether or not you want to buy a company. I use NASDAQ.com. I also use Yahoo Finance. And I also, even though they didn't let me trade, I use Robinhood. So yes, NRZ pays 50 cents. This is also a quarterly stock. So 50 cents per share per quarter. I already checked ARR and then the Apple. Not Apple as in the technology, Apple as in the REIT. All right, this one also pays monthly. So, all right, I stand corrected. So this one, and this one pays quarterly, and these 2 pay monthly. So I also picked these stocks. Another reason why I picked these stocks, they're under $20. So that means if I'm depositing $500 a month in the retirement fund, and then $500 a month in the IRA, then I could rack up tons of shares so I can get tons of dividends, monthly dividends and quarterly dividends. So this is an experimental process for the retirement fund. The Roth IRA, these are companies that I own. I own products. I should have a Mac. This is my way. These 2 stocks are my way of getting into the real estate market. And then these other stocks in my retirement fund are my way of getting into the real estate market. So I'm going to get my feet wet. I am going to reinvest. So I have these also on auto invest. And basically every time I get dividends, they hit my account and then they're automatically reinvested into this fund if it's $10 or more. So this is kind of what happened. See, I had $100 in it, and then I went all the way up to, what is it, 32.41, and then I took it all out, put half into the Roth IRA, and then I put another 3,000 into the Roth IRA. So this one is going to be getting $500 a month. And basically what I'm looking to do is just rack up, max out the Roth IRA, and then whatever's left over for the year, I'll dump it into this retirement fund. But I'm excited. I am extremely excited. The channel is making a shift. We're not going to just focus on cryptocurrency. We're going to focus on finance as a whole. I'm not going to get into much news, but I just want to give you guys an overview of what I'm doing, and hopefully it'll motivate you guys to motivate and shit. It'll motivate you guys to invest and save. And if you guys got any great ideas that you want me to check out, I would love to check them out because, you know, who doesn't want to make money? Who doesn't want their money to make money? All right. So that's going to do it for this video. I'm giving crypto a break. Let it do what it do. And I'm going to focus solely on investing in my M1 Finance. And if you want to sign up for an M1 Finance account, you get $10, which goes to whatever stock that you add to your pie. And I look forward to you and your success on this journey. I'll see you on the next video, guys.